If you're managing a project with multiple tasks and deadlines, a Gantt chart can help you visualize your entire schedule in one place. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create Gantt charts in ProofHub step by step in 2026. First, sign into your ProofHub account and open the project where you want to build a Gantt chart. Make sure your project already contains tasks with start dates and due dates for the best results. Next, open the project's Gantt chart or timeline view from the project navigation menu. This view displays your tasks on a calendar-style timeline. If your project already has tasks, they'll appear automatically on the timeline. If not, create new tasks first and assign start dates and deadlines so they can be displayed on the chart. To update your schedule, drag the taskbars to change start dates or extend their length to adjust deadlines. The Gantt chart updates automatically as you make changes. If your workspace supports dependencies, connect related tasks so one task begins only after another is completed. This helps keep your project timeline organized. As your team updates task statuses, use the Gantt chart to monitor overall project progress, identify delays, and make scheduling adjustments when needed. Share the project timeline with your team so everyone understands upcoming deadlines, task sequences, and project milestones. To keep your Gantt chart accurate, regularly update task dates, mark completed work, and review dependencies whenever your project's schedule changes. And that's how to create Gantt charts in ProofHub. Yeah, using the timeline view makes it much easier to plan projects, track deadlines, and keep your entire team aligned from start to finish. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.